In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design on Canva. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to polish your design skills, Canva is a fantastic tool that makes designing simple and fun. So let's dive right in and explore the steps to create a stunning design on Canva. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Canva's homepage at www.canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but don't worry, it's quick and free. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage. Here, you'll see a variety of options and tools at your disposal. Now, to start your design journey, click on Templates in the top menu. Canva offers a treasure trove of templates to choose from, ranging from social media posts to presentations and more. This feature is especially useful if you're not sure where to start or if you need some inspiration. It essentially gives you a head start by providing a framework that you can customize to suit your needs. Next, decide on the type of file or design you want to create. For instance, you can make anything from a flyer to a business card. But for this example, let's create a logo design. So, scroll through the options until you find logo and click on it. This will take you to a page filled with an array of logo templates, each with its distinct style and vibe. Browse through the logo templates available. They're categorized in various styles, and you can choose one that resonates with your brand or personal style. Once you find a template that catches your eye, click on it. This action will open up the template in a new window ready for customization. Now, you'll see a button that says Customize this template. Click on it, and this will open the Canva editor. This is where the magic happens. You can easily change colors, fonts, and graphics by selecting elements within the template and using the editing tools provided. Canva's user-friendly interface makes it a breeze to play around with different design elements until you find the perfect look. As you customize the template, feel free to experiment with different features. You can upload your own images, add text, and even incorporate Canva's extensive library of icons and illustrations. The key is to have fun and let your creativity flow. Once you're satisfied with your design, make sure to save your work. You can download it in various formats or share it directly from Canva to your social media platforms. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to designing on Canva. With these steps, you can create professional-looking designs without any hassle. Happy designing!